How to fix Nvidia Control Panel missing. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your search bar and then search for Nvidia Control Panel. Now go to App Settings. After that, here you will see this option of Reset. Now all you have to do is reset this, and as you can see, the warning also says if this app still isn't working right, reset it and the app's data will be deleted. So make sure you have all the necessary data backed up before you reset it. And after tapping on reset, your app will start working but the data will be deleted. But if you want your data not to be affected but still want to repair your NVDA control panel, simply tap on repair and it will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.